Okay, so here we have a green circle, and I've been told the circle's radius. And I'm being asked to find the circumference of the circle. So I know my formula is c equals pi d, and in this case, the radius is 5, so the diameter is 10 centimeters. So that means that c is going to be pi times 10. Incidentally, if it wanted me to give the answer in terms of pi, then I could just write c equals 10 pi centimeters. Okay, but if it wants me to go ahead and work out the answer to one decimal place, then I can write c equals, on my calculator, I can do pi times 10, and I get 31.41. So to one decimal place, it's going to be 31.4 centimeters. Okay, right, let's look at this blue one. Now, in this case, I've been asked to find the circumference. So I know that c equals pi d again, and looking at the diagram here, I'm told the diameter is 12 centimeters. So that means that the circumference is simply pi times 12. So if I wanted to give the answer in terms of pi, I'd just write that the circumference is 12 pi centimeters. But if I'm going to give the answer to one decimal place, then on my calculator, I would have to do pi times 12, and that gives me, on my calculator, it's this, 37.69, and so on. So one decimal place is going to be 37.6 or 37.7. Answer, 37.7 centimeters. So that's that one done. Right, last thing. Right, this red circle here, we're going to imagine that we're told its circumference is 96 centimeters. So it's 96 centimeters all the way around. Now, we've got to work out its diameter. So we know that when we were going from diameter to circumference, we know we times by pi. So if we're going to go the other way, we're going to divide by pi. So just as we did in class, the diameter is the circumference divided by pi. In this case, the circumference is 96. So the diameter is going to be 96 divided by pi. So I'm going to do that on my calculator now. 96 divided by pi, and I get the answer 30.55. So it's going to be 30.6 centimeters. So that's the diameter. And if, of course, the question asks me for the radius, then because I know the diameter, I can just do the radius. It's going to be the diameter divided by 2. Halve your answer for the diameter, and you get the answer for the radius. You should really use the whole number on your calculator. When I do that and round my answer, I get 15.3 centimeters. So the radius is 15.3, the diameter is 30.6. We started off with a circumference of 96. Okay, good luck with your homework.